Hello, in this video I will show you how to add payment method and pay for Fubo TV. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is open the application or the browser, then simply go to the Fubo TV website. Once you're on your website, just simply sign into your account. Now after you're signed in order to add a new payment method, all you have to do is click on the settings icon right over here. Then go to account. And then right over here in the subscription and billing section, click on this option. You will have the option of payment method. Now, as you can see, my primary payment method is PayPal. So you will have one more option that you will have in the manage section. So if you click on this option and then wait for a few seconds, and after that you will be able to enter your card details. Now, let's say you created your account using your credit card. Then what you will have in the manage section is your PayPal option. So choose whatever option you want to add. Then once you have done that, click on the save section right over here. Now once you have a payment method right over here, just need to go to the section of manage and add-ons. And right over here, just simply choose whatever section you want to buy, as you can see right over here. And then just click on the update subscription right over here. And once you will do that, the subscription pack will be updated and the funds will be deducted from the next month. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.